Who built the very first empire in human history? Long before Rome or Egypt's Golden Age, the Akkadian Empire rose in Mesopotamia around 2300 BCE, under the legendary king Sargon the Great. For the first time, cities and kingdoms across vast lands were united under one rule, stretching from the Persian Gulf to the Mediterranean. This was the moment the idea of an empire was born, shaping the future of civilizations. The Akkadian Empire not only unified diverse regions, but also pioneered advancements in administration, trade, and culture. As cities flourished, a new class of merchants and artisans emerged, enriching the empire with their skills and innovations. This era marked a transformation in governance, laying the groundwork for future empires that would follow. Trade routes expanded, connecting the Akkadians with neighboring civilizations, fostering cultural exchange and economic growth. Sargon's vision of a unified empire established systems of governance and law that would influence subsequent societies, creating a legacy that extended far beyond his reign.